are retired now. You did an amazing job, had a great career, and now you really deserve to get some rest. Happy retired life.
Hello भैया, congratulations on completing successfully your public service life. आपके बारे में क्या कहूँ, जितना कहूँ वो कम है. आप मेरे इंजीनियर बनने का इंस्पिरेशन रहे हैं. मेरा सॉकर में इंटरेस्ट आपके साथ पूरा 1986 का वर्ल्ड कप मैंने देखा था. यू आर लाइक अम्ब्रेला फिगर टू ऑल आवर फैमिली मेम्बर्स. हमेशा सपोर्टिव, डिसिसिव, गाइडिंग और हेल्पफुल रहे. लव यू भैया.
Hi Bhaiya, it's a great day today. I always admire your personality and I learned how to take a balanced decision in adverse situations. I never saw you in angry mode. Great.
Retirement, Vrinder ji. Great milestone, well deserved. Enjoy your time.
वीरेंद्र जी, आपको आपके रिटायरमेंट की बहुत बहुत मुबारकें. दिस इज़ अ वंडरफुल माइलस्टोन टू रीच. बहुत खुशियां हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमारे पास सिडनी ज़रूर जल्दी से आएं.
Congratulations, Fufuji. We are so proud of you, and this is a great milestone. Love you lots.
Hi Fufuji, congratulations on your retirement. Hope to see you here very soon. Thank you for all the childhood memories.
Thank you. All the best. Bye.
हेलो वीरेंद्र जी. राधा स्वामी, मम्मी की ओर से आपकी रिटायरमेंट के शुभ अवसर पर बहुत बहुत बधाई और आशीर्वाद. बाबा जी आपको सदा सुखी और तंदुरुस्त रखें. अब आप दोनों हमारे पास कुछ दिन के लिए रहने आए.
Hello Bhaiya, congratulations on your retirement. Wish you a very happy, healthy and relaxing life. You have been an inspiration for all of us. Keep inspiring and encouraging us with your blessings. जैसे संजय भैया मेरे लिए ब्रदर भी हैं, फ्रेंड भी हैं, आप भैया भी हो, फ्रेंड भी हो, मेंटर भी हो एंड फादर की तरह भी हो.
Congratulations Bhaiya and all the very best for your next phase of life.
Hello Bhaiya, all the best for an amazing retirement. Enjoy the new chapter in your life. You are an inspiration for all of us. Stay happy and healthy. Dear Bhabhi, congratulations to you too. Your full-time job starts now.
भैया भाभी को लख लख बधाइयाँ. Congratulations Rama for your second innings. Happy retirement life Tavi.
Virendra ji, welcome to the next stage of your life where every day is the weekend. And Neeta, your full-time job has started, so all the best. Happy retirement.
Hi Daddy, happy retirement. Bye bye tension, hello pension. अब काफ़ी जेलसी हो रही है कि आपको एक बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म छुट्टी मिल गई है जो कि हमें हमेशा से चाहिए. But you know, you have always been an inspiration and we always look up to you. I always looked up to you because the kind of job that you had, a permanent 9 to 5 job with Saturday, Sunday off, and the respect that you got from your colleagues and your subordinates. These are the things that I always want for myself. जो याद आ रहा है, I have one very vivid, remarkable memory in my mind कि जब मैं आगरा में थी and I had forgotten to take my homework notebook. You were in office and I called you कि मुझे वो homework book चाहिए क्योंकि मैं भूल गई हूँ. And it was I think around 12:30. So you left your office. Within an hour, you came to my school with that notebook in hand. And I can't still forget that how grateful and thankful I was that you had come. Thank you so much for whatever you have done for me from the beginning till now, whatever you are still doing for me. Up now that you are going to get retired, कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा. You can come to Bangalore without making any excuse. Love you.
Hi Daddy, happy retirement. You have been an inspiration for me as well. And I know you have done a lot for everyone in the family and you will continue doing the same without any second thought. So this is something which I have learned from you. And I'm sure there will be a lot of other things in the future as well which I will definitely need to learn. Now I hope you get time to enjoy the things which you missed earlier. And I'm looking forward to having you in Bangalore. Take care.
नमस्ते बड़े मामा. जो भी काम करो दिल से करो और डिसिप्लिन से करो. These are the most important things which I have learned from you, and I thank you for each and everything you have done for me. For this part of a journey, I wish a happy and a fabulous retirement. Finally, I would like to say that you are certainly my hero and my inspiration.
Namaste Mama. Wish you a very happy retirement and all the best for this next phase. Hopefully a much more comfortable and relaxed life now. Cheers.
सफर मेरे हम सफर, पंख तुम परवाज़ हम, जिंदगी का साज हो, साज की आवाज हम.
Hi Dad, happy retirement.
Happy retirement, Daddy.
Last few days of work बड़ा funny time रहा है. Unhappening होते हुए भी thrilling रहा है पूरा. And I'm really excited that you are finally reaching that big day of your life. A life that we have always known as someone who has been working in, and now you will be someone who is just enjoying the retirement life.
शिखर की dream life है.
Funnily, it's the first time you will not be on a payroll. और मैंने already वो दिन देख लिया. Dad, I remember very vividly जब मैं first class में था उदयपुर में, हम लोग वॉक करते थे, आप अपनी फिंगर ऐसे पकड़ा देते थे, होल्ड माई फिंगर, एंड वी यूज्ड टू वॉक, लॉन्ग वॉक के लिए आते थे, किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर के लिए, एंड वी यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट थिंग्स, आइसक्रीम, फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, पीपल इन जनरल. 1 साल बाद हमने क्रिकेट भी खेलना शुरू किया, एंड यू वर द रूथलेस काइंड, ऑलवेज हिटिंग 4s and 6s टू माई लॉलीपॉप डिलीवरीज. बट आपने सिखाया कि इट वॉज नेसेसरी फॉर यू टू बी रूथलेस विद मी, एंड थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ फादर फिगर. And as
He is your
father figure.
Father figure.
As a matter of fact, I have realized that I'm so thankful to have you and the people around me. That the only reason I want to do things is for you, Pratiksha, Mama. So thank you for being a part of my life, always and forever. And happy retirement.
Enjoy your day, Daddy.
All the best.
Hooray! All the best.
I thank you for your part in my journey, dear. Don't act your age in retirement. Act like the inner young person you have always been.
What next, Dad? Will you be a granddad? Shikha, it's your responsibility. Will you have a mustache? Will you be beard dad? Will you be boy dad? Will you be the fun dad? Will you crack dad jokes? Will you be dad man? Will you be हमारे प्यारे fun dad जी? Samurai dad? Kung fu dad? Will you be my Pradhan Sevak? Shri Virendra Daddy, or will you be the President of America? Life is now completely your playground, Dad. All the best.